How to be a productivity master. Use a few simple techniques. Focus on one thing. You can block your time in the calendar for everything and try to focus on the current task only. Use 3-3-3 plan. 3 hours to work on your most important projects, 3 shorter tasks, and 3 maintenance activities. Use a deep work practice for at least 4 hours per day with no distractions. Use airplane mode on your phone. When learning something new, apply the Feynman technique. Pick a subject, attempt to explain it to a 5-year-old, then do more research to fill in any knowledge gaps. Organize your duties according to an Eisenhower matrix. The aim is to spend more time on vital tasks that advance your long term values, missions, goals, and principles. Processing messages and emails in bulk during 1 to 3 condensed times during the day. If you want to improve in something, do it for 20 minutes per day. After a year, you'll be better than 90% of people. Use the Getting Things Done methodology to track everything you do efficiently. Use zero inbox policy. Delete unnecessary emails immediately if they require someone else's attention. Forward them instead. If an email can be replied to in under a few minutes, do so directly. Otherwise, schedule a time to address it. Beat procrastination with Pomodoro. Choose a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, work on it without distractions. Take a short break and repeat the process. After 4 sessions, take a more extended break. Create yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily goals and plans. Without the goal, you'll probably get nowhere. Do daily and weekly reviews. Ask yourself, what did I do today that was aligned with my goals? Can I improve something? Learn to say no to many things. One no is a yes to many other things. Walk for 30 minutes every evening. Even better, do a walking meditation during this time. Automate everything you can. Utilize various tools to automate as many tasks as possible, especially those that are repetitive.